Let's have a good day. Yeah, we're going for a new spin. We had a nice Pachinko with a 200 extra. Good, wonderful Mark. Welcome, Mark. Have a nice time. Have a nice day. Have a good Monday. Yeah, that's how we're starting the Monday. That's how some of the people are finishing their Sunday as well, maybe. Anyway, it was a great catch. It was a good win. That's number one here with the ones who want to pay us. I think our 200x on the Pachinko better than biggest win of the day, 1000x on the cash. Little scenario, congratulations, more than 2,000 winners, great. Here we go, that's a nice way to start a Monday morning. Exact, Mark. Perfect start. Hello, Marcus, glad to see you. Point flip, what is 2x on the fly, double on a quick flip. Sunday, it's Monday. No, right, there is, not everywhere, that's the number 2. Somewhere in America and in Canada, it's still Sunday. It might be like some 11 p.m. or 10 p.m. on Sunday. Somewhere it's Monday. Yeah, there is like 2:46 a.m. Yep. In Brazil, for example. I'm from Ulster and it's 6:46 a.m. in the morning, yep. In Latvia it's 7:46. We have a like 1 hour difference with Austria. Good luck to everyone, guys. We'll see, girl, 31. But I think 200x with a Pachinko is better than cashing with a 1000x multiply. Because in the Pachinko, everyone got it this bonus. Yeah, on the cash hunts, how many players that had 1,000? Like some couple of players. Number one with a 1 to 1 bad Brian CFC. River got a big congratulations with us. But 200 on the Pachinko was for every single player here. Oh, good. Thank you. Hey, Budil, thank you so much, brother, for your conversation. Hopefully that you're having some really nice nighttime. Having a lot of fun, at least, and spending nice time with your grandmother, Number 1 with the ones who want to pay. I'm like, Daniel, to be honest, a little bit of a challenge because my grandmother, she was not the best person. She was not like the old grandmas, which really taking care of their grandsons, like cooking a lot. No, she was totally different grandmother. Best business ever, guys. Yeah, I have like so many stories about her, but like this story is not like for this show. 10 and 3x multiply. 10 with a 3x multiply, guys. 10 with a 3x multiplier. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we got a 30 to 1 apiece. 30 to 1 pay out. Nice, amazing time. Really, Budil. I'm saying that, like you, 4,770 and those kick ever. There is, but congratulations, guys. It was a nice 30 to 1 payout. That was a great catch. Let's go, everyone. Just on 15x multiplier. Is it possible? 1.8x. I love your energy. Fast to hear that, buddy. Nah, it will be nah. Too far away. That's number 2 here with a 2 to 1 pair. Number 2 with a 2 to 1 pair. Jerry EDS. Saturday Abbey. Congratulations for that 4,244 winners. Here we go, if you spin around the gaming transfer, don't forget about it. Out of left and roll for newcomers, please. Safe to bat and enjoy time, guys. Yeah, have a wonderful day. Bats close and ready, let's go for the new, round here. Oh, Pachinko, Tanix, what a fly, a backflip. You know, you think that every single horse can do a backflip? No, sorry, I'm not good at it. Who will give you, 200x in Pachinko? That will make me quite flip, I will die for sure, though. Because I will break my neck, it's like 100%. 3,389 winners. Here we go for the new spin. Yeah, guys, 1 week till the start of the World Cup. 1 week. But yeah, will you choose for the Brazilian team? Yeah. I already placed my money on Brazil, You're so good. Thank you, Crazy Me. Pleasure to hear that. Come on, Mr. Biz, give us another big win. Already, Sebasalanis. Already, yeah, like, you think that big wins, here comes to every single minute. Good luck to you with that. We'll take this with so much effort with the cup. It's ours. Can you do one shoulder for me where it goes back and forth? Best wishes to everyone, you're awesome. Have a nice time, have a nice day. That was like big spin, yeah. Best wishes to everyone, guys. We're going for one more round, we're going for one more game. And let's go! Pachinko, it's a lot. Hopefully your also was a good spin, right? Thanks for a good win. Have a good day, Newton. Have a nice time as well, brother. And we got a number 2 here with a 2 to 1 to pay out. 2 to 1 to pay out. You got it here, ready? Now, I'm totally agree with you that I think that they have biggest chances to win a World Cup, but who knows that the World Cup is the World Cup, yeah? There will be a lot of great teams with great players, with the best players of the world. That's why 100% will be really hard. But I believe in my Real Madrid players there, and a Militao, and a Casemiro still, we can say that he's a Madridian player, yeah? From Real Madrid, and of course Rodrigo, Vinicius Junior, that's the number 2. With the 2 you want to have a cash in with the 3 spot. Number 2, you want to pay us. And so we'll separate. Not sure about it, to be honest with you, I think there is teams that will be stronger than France. They have no Kante, they have no Pogba. Their midfield will be not that strong. That's why, the biggest problem for them will be the midfield. If their players will not have placed there, they will not have created anything. Interesting how Argentina will play their World Cup because, everyone believes so much in Lionel Messi, but I'm not believing in him. I'm not believing in Cristiano Ronaldo. I'm not believing in Lionel Messi. Number one with a one-to-one match because it's a World Cup. It's not just like some club games, and not necessarily have a whole team. Exactly, The thing is, how old he is? 37 years old? Yeah, 36 years old. Ronaldo was 37, he's 36 years old. And after already half of a season and the Champions League games, they need to play the World Cup in Qatar. That's Ronaldo's Cup. I think it's like last Messi's Cup as well, but it's like last Ronaldo's Cup for sure. Number 1 with the ones who want to play out. And he might be the first player in the world who will score on a 5 different World Cups. Good luck, Cyril. No, if he will score his goals, of course. Yeah, if he will score his goals. But some penalties, for sure, he will score there. I will be pretty happy about it if he will be the person who scores notice. I don't know. Time we're done. Yeah. 2 with a 3x for the fly. 2 with a 3x multiplier. I think like Belgium team will be pretty strong. 100% that Netherlands will have a really good team. Like they're just underrated. England, of course, as well. That's the one with a 1-1 up pay. Now, Jake Black, looks at her. Davey, congratulations with that. Thank you. Thanks so much. Don't forget about it. Alton Plebs, welcome to Commerce. Please place the bets and enjoy your time. What's your favorite player of all time? Mine is Ronaldinho. Even that I'm a Real Madrid fan, Ronaldinho was really the best player